Good morning, Dad.
Morning, babe.
I'm getting ready for school.
Done.
Ooh.
And then vacation.
No.
Yeah.
Stop shouting at me like that.
Vacation.
It's not vacation, it's weekend. It's not vacation, it's just the weekend. Okay?
Well, that's not a weekend, it's vacation. What is a weekend? It's vacation. Mama, don't you trickster.
Me a trickster?
Yes.
You a trickster? You want to go on vacation every day?
No, that's trickster.
Hmm?
That's trickster.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are trickster.
Why you think I'm a trickster?
Because you're a trickster. You're a big trickster.
You a trickster.
No, you're a trickster.
I didn't trick anybody.
You're a trickster.
Me? What did I do?
You're a trickster.
I didn't do anything. You want Happy Biscuit? I don't know if there's any Happy Biscuit. Let's see. Okay, there's one. And what else? And comfort.
Yes.
And juice.
No.
Yes. What you gonna drink?
But Russia don't know how to do it.
Of course, Metres know how to do it.
No.
Yes, she does.
No.
Okay, so this is gonna be snack for school. Juice, comfort, and small biscuit. Okay, tell me what you have.
What you took? You took cereals for Mama and Tyler and cereals for Papa. You can see that cereals
Babe went
for Papa
shopping.
is the healthy one and cereals for Mama is not the healthy one.
Babe went shopping without me.
So everything not healthy is for you and everything healthy is for me.
Okay.
Healthy or not healthy
What is that?
is sweet bread
I've been into that lately.
for you. Oh, I saw a deal.
You saw a deal?
40% off.
For just one?
Yeah. So I take two.
Good job, honey.
I was about to take the big one, but
Good
then I saw that.
job.
You saw that?
Good job.
Not healthy donuts for you.
I want Prestige Jamaica donut and I can't get it, so why not?
Just the oil, regular oil, sweet pepper. Just for Tyler. I don't know what's special with this juice. Maybe it's just because the size is
Yeah, the way it's shaped,
The
it's
way
just
it's
one
shaped,
drink.
easy. Oh, that was the only thing that wasn't in the list. That's for me, I admit it.
Oh, who
Only
admits?
thing not in the list.
Me, I can eat it.
Yes, Stella, go get mush water to wipe your
Last-
nose. Yes, this is for the hospital bag. It's a brumisator.
Hopefully I take the good one.
Yes. Huh?
That's great.
Yes, it's going down. Go for
Full
something to
lotion.
wipe your nose.
for crocodile skin.
For whose crocodile skin? For yours?
I have a little crocodile skin, but your entire skin is crocodile. If you don't put that, you're white, right?
And you're not? You're crustier than me. Your white show more than me if you don't put.
That's what I wanted for me.
For you?
Yeah, take a fish for you. A single fish.
So you take one fish and one salmon?
One salmon for me and Tyler. So it's 2 salmon.
It's not sugar pumpkin, it's flour. Yes.
So salmon for me. I felt for this one I saw it. Then
Good job,
when I passed
Dad.
the cashier, I believe like I was you. Banana. Yellow banana.
Damn honey, this banana big though.
Oh yeah, it's big.
So you take them so big.
Only big.
Yes,
Only
Ty,
big
good
banana.
job.
Plus big banana for green banana. Only big 2.
Oh Jesus. They only had the big ones?
Oh yeah.
Good job, Ty.
Plantain, ripe and not ripe. I find something, hopefully it's good. It's my little surprise for you.
Mango?
No mango.
Oh, breadfruit?
Yeah. So hopefully this one, it was a good amount. So I said,
Turn on the oven right now. Thank you, honey. Turn on the oven right now. So that's the biggest one that they had?
They have all of this size.
Okay.
So hopefully it's good and not spoiled.
No, I love you. Thanks,
That was
babe.
my little surprise. Tyler,
Ah,
take
but
2
no
chips.
mango. He's telling us what he took. Good job, Ty.
Ketchup,
You don't see Tyler doing his haul too. He's telling us what he took.
milk, water.
What's here?
Water for you, water for me.
Good job. Soap for who? Who uses that one?
Me.
No. That's a mama soap.
That's another bottle of water. I don't see it. I took
I
2.
pack it out already.
You pack it out?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, I took this. A
What's
mix
that?
for Tyler and I.
For
Tyler
barbecue?
love burgers
Uh-huh.
and we like the sausage.
Okay.
So we
Good
take
job, Ty. Apple juice heavy. Take it from him, honey.
Oh, 2 kg.
Yes.
So this is your fish. I
Only
took
one?
A big one.
What's that, Ty? Donut yogurt.
Pizza for you, little pizza.
Yes.
I take a good one. I don't do like 2. I don't do 3.
Drop your shade at me.
She act like she used to go supermarket, but she take the wrong thing when she going.
When I go by myself.
Right,
Good
you
job,
happy?
Ty.
Polenta
Target the third
papaya.
card meal.
Some chicken.
Okay, you take thighs.
Chicken time. Some. Oh,
Yeah, good job.
So you can't put it just like this. Turkey.
Okay.
Turkey.
Good job, Ty.
And that's it. That's a good amount of things.
Yeah. Good job, babe. You did well. All by yourself without me.
Oh, you know, everything went good until I reached the cashier and it was this line so long. You know when people
And you
have-
missed my pregnant stomach. Ha.
when you saw that person have the big cart
And full.
and they are still waiting on the line.
Oh, Lord.
And
You're
you
like,
saw
where's
the line
babe?
is pregnant,
Empty.
Right.
You did well. You said, where is babe? Huh? You should just tell the lady, my wife is pregnant, but she's at home. Can I still join the line?
Nah, maybe a pregnant woman.
That's true. Yes, baby, they saw the meal. Good job.
So,
Yeah.
I'm proud.
Good job.
That was good, and hopefully the breadfruit finger crossed.
I'm gonna roast it right
I
now.
wanted to get you strawberry. I saw some strawberry.
So why you didn't
but
get it?
Then some was smashed. And I was
Okay,
already-
nah.
So,
I could make
I
strawberry
said this, I
smoothie.
say that's my €5 price.
Well,
This.
thank you. Let's see how it's gonna be.
Oh yeah.
All right. So this is the breadfruit that babe surprised me and bring me back. So I'm gonna roast it right now, and I'm not going to bed until I eat it. So let's see. And I like my breadfruit not roast but fry, so I'll definitely be frying it. But let's see. We don't normally have luck with it, but let's see.
Hi, Faith.
stuff is what we're gonna do.
We're gonna unbox the mirror and then we're gonna read the book and then go to bed.
Right. So we have 2 packages from the mail that we're gonna unbox to see. We're gonna open to see who they're from. Oh, what is it?
It's just for baby sister.
Yeah. Who is it from? It is from Auntie Shanique. Oh my God. My goodness. This is from Shanique. Look how cute that is. This. Thanks,
This
Shan.
can't hear you.
Yes, this can hear me. They're hearing you too. Go, take this out.
Look this.
This is, I think this is also from Shanique. Yes, it is. This is also from Shan. Shan, stay buying, y'all. Shan, stay buying. I asked Shan if she's not gonna stop. She said nope. I love my girls. Take it out. Ooh. Look at this little sexiness. Oh, adorable.
It also comes with a headband.
It also comes with a headband. How cute. Let's put the headband on tight and see what baby sister gonna look like. Okay, so there we have baby sister.
That baby sister. I'm Tyler.
And
not
Tyler.
baby sister.
So thank you, Auntie Shan Shan.
Thank you, Auntie Shanique.
Love you.
Love you. High five.
High five, Auntie Shan. You guys, look at this beauty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna peel it and fry it right now. It's the first we ever buy a breadfruit and it look this good. I'm excited. Look at that, you guys. Oh, I'm proud of him. I'm proud.
I'm proud of you.
And baby is very much proud of himself. He's so proud right now.
I'm happy
His
more than
stress
proud.
is in his.
I'm happy because it makes you happy. That's my
That was your aim.
little gift.
When he was leaving home, I said, honey, bring me back a surprise. And he did a good job, I must say. Now I'm gonna fry this with some ripe plantain and some eggs. And it's, oh my God, it's 10:35. So I need to fry a piece for you. You deserve at least a piece. Yeah, you deserve to smell it, honey.
No.
Not to taste it. Just so you know.
No.
You deserve a smell, not a taste. He's waiting, he's not going to bed. Oh my God, you guys, look at my dinner. Glory. Look at that. Hear me to babe just now. I tell babe that babe, you deserve a kiss on your foot bottom. Hear him. He said, no babe. Just a kiss and a massage will do. I'm like, no honey, it's just one breadfruit. You're reaching. Go get the massage machine. And he eat. I give him 2 slices of the breadfruit. He said, honey, I could eat one more. I said, take one more. He said, no, because after 3 I'm gonna want one more. So hey, baby girl, it's gonna be a happy camper. Look at that. Look at all this. Oh, glory. The happiest pregnant girl in the world.
Can I show please?
This side. And your name on your juice, Tyler. And your name on your happy biscuit. What's your name?
Tyler.
Spell Tyler.
T-Y-L-E-R.
Bravo! Alright, so the happy biscuit goes in here.
I think it's so hard. I'll pull you again.
Who? Faves? If
Yeah.
Faves a boy or girl?
Yeah.
Faves are thousands of people that's watching you. It's different people, okay? So there's boy and there's girl. Okay? It's not just one person, Faves. Okay?
Okay.
Faves is everybody that watch us on YouTube. Family and friends. Green planting don't even stand a chance this morning. So that's breakfast going down right now. Breakfast happening. And then after breakfast, I'm gonna tackle my hair, my locks. Must wash today. It must be done today. It must happen today. Okay? It's the weekend, so let it happen today. Since breadfruit's gonna give me some energy, and I'm gonna find the strength to wash my hair. So make sure you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys stay blessed, stay loved, stay happy, stay motivated. Let nobody spoil your day. Let nobody spoil your day. You hear me? Nobody. I mean nobody. Stay loved. If it means that you have people in your life that you have to let go in order to be happy, then do it. Do whatever it is you need to do in order to keep that smile on your face. Okay? I love you guys with my fat face, and I'm gonna have breakfast, and I'm not sharing with you guys this morning. Sharing is caring. You guys can smell it, but you guys won't taste it, okay? Because baby girl needs it. She needs it. Busting out my clothes. No, you tell me. Look at this. Nothing fits anymore. I'm gonna have to start wearing all my husband's t-shirt, all my baby's clothes. That's what I'm gonna have to start wearing. Anyway, you guys, breakfast time. You guys, my gosh. My baby's off to school, my big baby's off to work, and I'm back home. I am making breakfast, and I know you guys know what I'm having for breakfast this morning. Yes, the exact same thing I had for dinner last night. Okay, I am having breadfruit. Voila, plantain just finished frying, and then I'm gonna fry egg. Yes, babe, don't stand a chance. Babe said he knew as I wake up I was gonna have breadfruit, and he's right. You know, this is one of the reasons why I know I am just homesick when it comes to food, because when I tell you that I'm not eating nothing at all around me the past 2 or so days, and as the breadfruit comes, my stomach is happy and my appetite is just going cray for the breadfruit. So it's really just home food that I want. I just want patty and prestige donut and breadfruit and real pan jerk chicken and those things. So you really know that my stomach is just homesick. My stomach just don't want nothing that I'm seeing right now. My stomach want what it wants, okay? The struggles. Look who is finally getting to wash their hair. Oh, you guys, look whose hair is all washed and all done. Yes, and it feels good. It took me a while, but I get it done, and it feels so good. So good that my hair is washed. Jeez. Now I'm just gonna lay down and relax until it's time to go pick up my boy, because I really don't have anything to do much than to just rest for the rest of the evening. and the rest of the afternoon I have like an hour before I go and pick Tyler up. So I'm gonna rest and then I go get my boy from school. So you guys, we came out of the house because I wanted pizza. Yes, baby?
Look at this, a big boat.
Yeah, and we're on the beach. And when you're not on the beach, it's not chilly, but it's windy right now because there's no sun out and it's chilly. But we're eating. What we're eating, Ty? What we're eating?
Pizza and rice.
And garlic bread.
And garlic
My
bread.
favorite.
Mama, this look at, there's a big boat.
Let me show you guys the pizza that we got. No. Looks yummy. Freezing. So cool. So we're gonna eat. I don't think we're gonna stay too long, but Tyler wanted to play. You still want to play?
Yeah.
You don't want some? Of course you do.
But I think that's no.
What kind of juice is that?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Alright,
No,
drink. Hey. Calm.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
No, it's not.
What you say?
I see Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola or Coca-Cola? Look at mama. Look at mama. Say Coca-Cola. Put your tongue up here and say la. La. Go. No, not bend it. Bend your tongue like this. Like this. La. Say Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Say Coca-Cola.
Yes.
Not Coca-Cola.
No.
You want some?
Not, no, I'm gonna eat first.